Welcome to Understand All. I'm your host, Aslekeir Gairleif. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to uncover the fascinating world of lunar exploration. So buckle up and get ready to blast off into the captivating realm of moon missions. Did you know that there's less gravity on the moon? If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you'd only weigh about 16 pounds there. Talk about the ultimate diet plan. But the moon isn't just a place for gravity-defying adventures. It's a celestial body that has captured the imagination of humanity for centuries. Let's start our lunar expedition with the Apollo era. The Apollo missions were a series of NASA's manned spaceflights that aimed to land humans on the moon. The most famous of these missions was Apollo 11, which achieved the historic feat of putting the first humans on the lunar surface in July 1969. Neil Armstrong, the mission commander, became the first person to set foot on the moon, uttering those iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." But Neil Armstrong wasn't alone in this incredible achievement. Buzz Aldrin joined him on the lunar surface, while Michael Collins orbited the moon in the command module. Together, these three brave astronauts became the first humans to witness the moon up close and personal. The success of Apollo 11 paved the way for subsequent missions. Apollo 12, 14, 15, 16, and 17 followed, each expanding our knowledge of the moon and pushing the boundaries of human exploration. In total, 12 astronauts have walked on the moon as part of the Apollo program. That's fewer people than on a soccer team. But the moon isn't just for human explorers. Robotic missions have also played a crucial role in lunar exploration. In fact, the first spacecraft to reach the moon was the Soviet Union's Luna 2 in 1959. It impacted the lunar surface, marking the first time an artificial object had reached another celestial body. The Luna missions continued, with Luna 9 achieving the first soft landing on the moon in 1966. These unmanned missions paved the way for future exploration and provided valuable data about the lunar environment. Did you know that the Soviet Union also sent the first remote-controlled rover to the moon? The Lunokhod 1 rover landed on the lunar surface in 1970 and traveled a total of 10.5 kilometers, sending back valuable images and data. Speaking of international cooperation, lunar exploration has been a global effort. While the United States and the Soviet Union dominated the early space race, other countries have since joined the Lunar Club. China successfully landed the Chang'e 3 mission on the moon in 2013, making it the third country to achieve a soft landing. India's Chandrayaan-1 orbiter also made significant discoveries, including evidence of water molecules on the lunar surface. In fact, India recently made history with the Chandrayaan-3 mission. On August 23, 2023, the spacecraft successfully landed near the moon's south pole, making India the fourth country to achieve a soft landing on the moon. This achievement showcases the growing capabilities of emerging space programs and highlights the importance of international collaboration in lunar exploration. But the future of lunar exploration is just as exciting as its past. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020s, with the goal of establishing a sustainable human presence by the end of the decade. This ambitious program will not only send the first woman and the first person of color to the moon, but also lay the foundation for future missions to Mars and beyond. However, lunar exploration is not without its challenges. The moon is a harsh and unforgiving environment with extreme temperatures, radiation, and a lack of resources. To overcome these challenges, scientists and engineers are developing new technologies and innovative solutions. One of the key challenges is sustaining human life on the moon. This requires the development of habitats, life support systems, and the ability to extract resources from the lunar surface. Scientists are exploring the possibility of using lunar regolith, the layer of loose rock and dust that covers the moon's surface, as a potential building material for lunar bases. But the moon isn't just a destination for exploration. It also holds valuable scientific treasures. The Apollo missions brought back a total of 382 kilograms of lunar rocks, core samples, pebbles, sand, and dust. That's about the weight of a grand piano. These samples have provided invaluable insights into the moon's geological history and the early formation of our solar system. However, there are still many mysteries surrounding the moon that scientists are eager to unravel. One of the most intriguing questions is the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed regions near the lunar poles. The discovery of water on the moon could have significant implications for future lunar exploration and the establishment of permanent human settlements. Despite the scientific advances, the moon has not been immune to myths and misconceptions. One common myth is that the moon has a dark side that never sees sunlight. In reality, the moon rotates on its axis, and all sides of the moon receive sunlight at different times. What we refer to as the dark side is actually the far side of the moon, which is not visible from Earth. Another misconception is that the moon landings were faked. Conspiracy theories have long circulated, claiming that the Apollo missions were staged on a movie set. However, the overwhelming scientific evidence, including lunar samples, photographs, and independent verification from other countries, conclusively proves that the moon landings were indeed real. The moon has not only been a subject of scientific curiosity, but also a source of cultural fascination. Throughout history, the moon has been a muse for artists, poets, and storytellers. It has been worshipped as a deity, used as a symbol of romance and mystery, and even inspired countless works of art and literature. But the moon's cultural significance goes beyond mere inspiration. The Apollo missions, in particular, had a profound impact on society. They showcased the power of human ingenuity, the importance of scientific exploration, and the ability of nations to come together for a common goal. The moon landings united the world in a shared sense of awe and achievement, transcending political and cultural boundaries. As we look to the future of lunar exploration, it's essential to reflect on the lessons learned from the past. The moon has taught us about the fragility of our planet, the importance of international cooperation, and the boundless potential of human curiosity and determination. So, the next time you look up at the moon, remember that it's not just a distant celestial object. It's a place where humans have left their footprints, a testament to our thirst for knowledge and exploration. The moon holds the key to unlocking the secrets of our universe and understanding our place within it. As we embark on the next chapter of lunar exploration, let us embrace the spirit of curiosity, collaboration, and innovation that has brought us this far. The moon awaits, and the possibilities are endless. And that brings us to the end of our lunar expedition. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the fascinating world of moon missions and discoveries. Remember, every time you gaze up at the moon, you're looking at a celestial body that has been a witness to human achievement and a source of endless wonder. So, keep your eyes on the skies and your mind open to the possibilities. Who knows what incredible lunar adventures await us in the future? Until next time, this is Aslekeir Gairleif, reminding you to never stop exploring the wonders of the universe. Stay curious, my friends.